Let's talk about a dashboard light that can make any driver nervous. The wrench, or powertrain warning light. It's not there to scare you, it's your car's way of saying, hey, something in my core system needs attention. Think of it as your car's early warning system. Like a toothache you shouldn't ignore. The powertrain covers everything that gets power from the engine to the wheels. When this light pops up, it means something in that system isn't working right. Don't panic or pull over unless the car's driving badly. Just take note. Ignoring this light can turn a small issue into a big, expensive one. Your car's ECU, its brain, is flagging a problem it can't fix itself. Your job, figure out what it's saying and act before it gets worse. In the next scenes, we'll break down what causes this light, what you can check, and when to call a mechanic. Let's get your car sorted. Stay tuned. The powertrain is everything that makes your car move. Engine, transmission, drive shafts, and wheels. When the wrench light comes on, your car's computer has found a fault somewhere in this system. It's not always a disaster, but it means something isn't performing as it should. Sometimes, the car will go into limp mode, reducing power to protect itself. This is your car's way of saying, let's take it easy until we fix this. The warning could be triggered by anything from a dirty sensor to a transmission issue. It's a broad alert, so you'll need to do some detective work. The key, don't ignore it, but don't panic. Next, let's look at how your car might behave when this light is on. Ready to play car detective? When the powertrain light comes on, your car usually acts up. You might notice sluggish acceleration or rough running. Automatic gearboxes may shift harshly or at odd times. Manuals might be hard to get into gear. Sometimes the car enters limp mode. Power drops, speed is limited, and the car feels unresponsive. You might also see erratic idling, stalling, or a sudden drop in fuel economy. These symptoms are clues. Pay attention to them. The more details you can give a mechanic, the faster they'll find the problem. Don't ignore these changes. They're your car's way of asking for help. Next, let's look at what usually causes these issues. Keep these symptoms in mind. They're gold for diagnosis. Let's pop the bonnet and see what's going on. Onward. So, what triggers the powertrain light? A common culprit is the electronic throttle body. If it's dirty or faulty, your car gets confused. Accelerator pedal sensors can also fail, sending mixed signals to the ECU. Transmission issues like low or dirty fluid or a faulty sensor are frequent offenders. Modern gearboxes rely on lots of electronics. One bad sensor can cause chaos. Sometimes it's just a loose wire or a corroded connector. Even a simple sensor failure can trigger the warning. The fix might be simple or complex, but knowing the usual suspects helps. Next, let's see what you can check at home before calling a pro. Let's get hands-on. Before you call the garage, try these simple checks. First, check your transmission fluid, level, and color. Low or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems. Top up with the correct fluid if needed. Next, inspect the throttle body for grime. A quick clean with throttle body cleaner can help. Look for loose connectors or damaged wires around the engine and gearbox. If you're comfortable, check your spark plugs. Worn plugs can cause misfires. Sometimes, the fix is as simple as cleaning or tightening something. These checks can save you time and money. If the light stays on after these steps, it's time for a pro. Don't ignore the basics, they're often the solution. Let's talk about when to call in the experts. Almost there. Doing your own checks is smart, but know your limits. If the car's in limp mode, making strange noises, or you smell burning, stop and call for help. Mechanics have diagnostic tools that pinpoint the exact fault. The ECU stores trouble codes that tell them what's wrong. Acting quickly can save you thousands. Don't let a small issue become a big one. Do the easy checks, but don't be a hero if the problem persists. That powertrain light is your friend. Listen to it. Look after your car, and it'll look after you. Thanks for watching. Now hold my spanner. Safe driving.